Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to transfer crypto to wallet from Revolut. So right here, just click on the crypto at the top of your screen. So this one. And right here, you want to click on your crypto that you have in your account. So in this case, I have Ethereum. Once you click on the Ethereum, what you want to do is you want to click on the send, and after that, you click send here. You're going to have two options right here. Number one is you can send it to an existing friend just inside of Revolut. Or additionally, you can click on the wallets and you can click on add a crypto recipient here. After that, it's going to ask you to type in their crypto address. Additionally, you can click on this QR code and you can scan it, and you will also need to enter the wallet name. And once you fill out this information, you can continue. And this is how you can send crypto to any wallet from Revolut. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.